नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बेटियों। आई जेवीएन डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह शेखावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्य तंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। In previous class, we discuss about definition, etiology, and some part of urethral injury. In consequence, we will discuss about rest part of urethral injury. In this diagram here, you can see penetrating injury in the perineum causing rectal and urethral injury, which is communicating. Note the catheter passed per urethra has gone into the rectum and come out through the anal canal. It needed colostomy and suprapubic cystosomy divergence. Now we will discuss about suprapubic cystostomy means SPC. This is the treatment procedure. It is placing of Malicot catheter into the bladder above the pubis by open method or percutaneous under the guidance using Foley's catheter. It is a temporary opening through the abdominal wall into the bladder. Prerequisite: bladder must be full and if confirmed by dullness below the umbilicus or by ultrasonography. Indications: retention of urine when urethral catheterization fails. Procedure: under local anesthesia, dilatation 2% above the pubis in the midline or GA. A vertical midline incision of 3 cm in length is placed through linea alba. Skin, fascia, anterior rectus sheath are incised. Recti are retracted in extraperitoneal space. Peritoneum with pad of fat is reflected upward. Bladder is identified by the pattern of retractor and vesical venom plexus, and is also confirmed by aspirating urine through a syringe. The bladder is opened near the fundus. Urine is aspirated. Bladder wall is inspected for any pathology. Malicose catheter is strengthened using artery forceps and pressed in the bladder. Sutures are placed around the Malicose catheter. Wound is closed in layers. In percutaneous SPC, Foley's catheter is passed into the bladder using trocar and cannula. Complication: injury to bowel and peritoneum infection. Suprapubic cystostomy. A Malcott or Foley's catheter can be used. As in this, as you can see, Malco's catheter into bladder. X-ray showing radiopaque Malcott catheters. In this in this diagram, X-ray showing radiopaque Malcott catheter. As you can see, the tube in the bladder. Students, rupture of bulbous urethra or anterior urethra, usually due to a fall astride a projecting object like in sailing ships, cycling over loose manhole or gymnasium. Clinical features: triad, blood in extremities, urethral hemorrhage, perineal hematoma, retention of urine. Rupture may be complete or incomplete, total or partial. Investigations: X-ray, palliative, and ultrasound abdomen. Condition is diagnosed clinically. Treatment: patients should be told not to try not to try to pass urine. If passed, then extravasation of urine occurs. In operation theatre, one attempt of urethral catheterization is tried gently. If able to pass a catheter, then it is left in place. One often perineal hematoma which occurs has to be drained. Antibiotics should be given to prevent sepsis. If catheter fails to pass, then under general anesthesia in its top position, SPC is done. Bulbous urethra is exposed through perineal midline incision, and tear is sutured with an indwelling Foley's catheter. Drain is then placed into the perineum. If suturing is not possible, then perineal ureterostomy is done, and at later stages continuity is maintained, usually after 3 months. Complications: uh, infection, extravasation of urine, structure of urethra. Okay, student, this is all about the injury to the urethra. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in comments box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.